Cody Custis with Cero Consulting, and I want to go through how easy it is to just load data using Power BI. This is one of a series of videos I'm making, and one of the reasons why I'm making videos is that we know things will go wrong during presentations. So we've got this, and then we'll go back to the live presentation. But it is so easy. So we just go, this is a Power BI file. You can see I've loaded anything. We're going to go to Queries, Transform Data, and Transform Data. That's going to open up our Power Query Editor. Go ahead and move that to the main screen so you all can see it. And now we want to go through our sources, new source. You can go text CSV, but we're actually going to do folder. So there's our folder. I'm going to connect that. And now we got our folder path. And in this particular case, I'm going to cut and paste a folder from elsewhere. So I got my data in here. This has exactly one CSV file in it, in case you want to know. So there's exactly one CSV file. We're going to hit OK. It's going to ask some questions, make sure it has the data we want. We see our file, combine and transform data. Gives us a little preview. This is what we expect our data to look like. We know it's going to be for Florida. We've got our counties, got our states. Let's go ahead and hit OK. It's actually running a little slow today, and you can see it's that simple. Loads up our data. This is great for a couple of reasons. I mean, it automatically loads a CSV. You can see over here the steps it's applying. So it has a source. It's actually going to be a folder. It filters out files. It creates a function that loads everything. Pretty awesome. Don't want to change that though. Double clicking on some stuff. Renames our columns. And the last thing it does, we'll talk a little bit down the line, is it changes the type. So we're going on in and we're loading everything on in. And it does a pretty good job of just guessing. So if we were to add more CSVs in that folder, those would get added automatically. We can always hit refresh. That'll refresh our data. And this is one of the things that's really nice about Power Query is getting your data into the software.